Cessna revving. Going up over 24162. Near the paint jumbo line, slight different diagonal. Little pulses and shifting. Pulse. Pulse. So he went slightly left and now he's turning back right to come around over the fireman's house. Sounds like there's a second one up behind the house doing a sound double up. Behind the tree. It's on the Solero Oliveira side. Here comes the one that was behind. There he is right there. He's on this part of that movement. So he was revving behind my house while that guy flew by revving. Just sound double up. 2 civilians just hanging out. That's all that ever happened. Probably stoked I used to say 10 planes. 10 was an understatement.